guys, welcome back to my channel. I messed up and I did not record half of what I was doing, so hopefully this will be, I can get used to wearing this hair and I will be able to do it again. I do have an initial review of the video of me just putting on my hair without doing everything I just did to it. And well, I know when I originally tried the hair on, I did not like it. I did not like it at all. Who put me onto this hair was Leah Gordon. When she put it on, it was just like, I think I butchered this hair and cut one side longer than the other, but whatever. When she originally put it on, it came on and you know how her hair, like, she have a lot of baby hair or whatever, her hair come out to her front. It did not look right with me, and I liked how she put it on. That's what made me just go ahead and buy it right away. But now just looking at that, well, with me putting on the hair, it did not work. So I try to finesse it as much as possible for me, but I think with me like doing whatever I did, I think it looks pretty good. It looks believable, other than this little glue stain I have, well, gel stain I have right there, but you can't really even see that. I did take the curling wand and mash down here like this, and I did braid down my hair. I think I have a clip of that when me initially showing you guys how it looks with the braided down. But I am really liking it. I don't know if I got the back really good, but we'll see. And I think this is my new do for a minute. Give my hair some rest. Yeah, I think this is really cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. And it's very movable. I didn't wash it yet because I didn't have time. I didn't have time, and I wanted to see how it looks. And I've been very anxious to check it out, how this looks. I mean, how this wig gonna look. So I actually really likes it. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing when I put my face on and put me an outfit on. And I hear you guys in the comment section. I'm definitely glad to hear that you guys comment below what you guys want to see more from me. I heard a couple of people say fashion, so I'm working on it. I did make 2 orders, so I'm working on it. I can't stop looking at myself. I really do like this hair. Let's see how it holds up. It's in place. It's not going anywhere. I didn't necessarily did the meltdown process, but I kind of sort of did that process. I did use the got to be I did this, well, I have the black version of this in the bigger bottle, but I was like, I really didn't like the yellow one, but I was seeing everyone use this one to do their hair, so I went to get the little version. So this might be a little look for me for a minute. We'll see how it works out at work and if I'm comfortable with it. That's what gets me. Like, I'm never really that comfortable with wearing wigs and weaves these days. Let's see if I'm comfortable with wearing it out to work or whatever, because I do got to go to work in the morning, and we will see. Because I did braid down my hair pretty good, and hopefully this works out because I don't have to do anything to my hair in the morning. I'm not sure how the back look. I'm gonna turn around. I hope I didn't do a bad job because I just clip right here. So hopefully I did a good job on that. We will see, because I'm about to just do a little spin. I'm no hairstylist, so let me know how did I do. Yeah, I actually think it looks pretty good, and the more I play with it, the more I like it, because before I was like, I'm ready to send this back, but I end up already cutting some of the hair. So this is my first time, and it's only going to get better from here, hopefully. So I think I want to apply some more. I think that looks a little bit better. Let me see. Yeah. So I think that looks a little bit better in person with doing what I just did. And I might want to apply some powder on here. I did a pretty good job. I didn't see many reviews on his hair, but I just was like, Leah said it was good, so I'm gonna go ahead and rock with it. And I like the length that it is now that I cut it, even though I think I cut one side longer than the other, but I still think it looks good. And it curls pretty good. I have not washed the hair, so I don't know how it takes to washing it. And it was a really good, reasonable price for a full wig, and you didn't really have to do much to it. But I just wanted to look a little bit better on me, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really like the hair so far. This is basically like an initial review, how I finesse the hair basically, if I have some good clips of that. And thank you guys so much for commenting below on my last previous video, for letting me know what you guys want to see from me. A couple of you guys said fashion videos. I'm all for it. You guys know I love me some fashion, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and try to work on putting more of those out. I do have a couple of ideas in mind. If you guys have, well, I know some of you said lookbooks. I would try to do that. I would try to put that out. But I do want to work on a couple of things, like trying to do better with my makeup. So I may have a couple more makeup videos coming out. If you guys want some mommy videos coming, let me know what you want to see, or if you need some advice. I'm 6 months in, halfway through the first year. So let me guys know what you want to see. And yeah, I'm obsessed kind of with this hair. I can't stop looking at myself. I have not had like a sew in or weave in for a minute, so it's something to get used to. But I think my little sister may try to steal this from me, so yeah, we will see. But yeah, I'm liking it. Let me guys know what you want to see from me, and if you guys have not subscribed or comment below or hit that bell, what are you waiting on? Make sure you comment below, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think about this hair. Or a hat with, I'm sorry, a hat with this hair. I'm in there for real. Oh Lord, that's even cuter. That's my mom's swag right there. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing now. I got my mom hair, my mom swag. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see from me. And I think I showed you guys the braid pattern, what I use. But yeah, I'm obsessed now. And that's my actual hair, that's not baby hair. But yeah, I'm done. I'm rambling now, and I will talk to you guys later. I'm sorry if I keep playing in my hair, but I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully I'm going to go ahead and edit this video. I hope I got time for that. I do plan on doing, maybe I'm going to start doing like what I wore in a work week, well, what I wore in a week video. I think I might start doing that, because I have to get dressed every day for work. So yeah, that might sound like an idea. Let me know what you guys think below.